Hi, today in front of you Motorola Moto E22 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to network in internet. To activate Wi-Fi we should use the switcher. Just let's now here check and we can see that all of the available networks which we can use. For example, let's use this first one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, just click once on this checkbox here. So now I'll enter it out of screen. Then click here to connect. Wait a second and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. We can select and use more networks, and so just you should by the same way enter the passwords, tap to connect. After that you can find these saved networks with the password in this section. If you wanna just switch between them, you can make it, for example, when just you'll have slow internet connection. To turn on the Wi-Fi we should use this switcher. So also we have one more way how we can do that. Just first we should find somewhere here the internet icon, click once. To activate Wi-Fi, tap on the switcher. After that you'll see here a couple of different networks. If you want to see all of the networks, tap to see more, to Wi-Fi section, and just by the same way select the networks, tap to connect. If you want to turn out the Wi-Fi from here, just click on this switcher, tap to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.